In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can clear all your YouTube search history. Clearing your search history on YouTube can enhance your privacy by preventing others from seeing what you've searched for. It also helps in keeping your recommendations accurate and tailored to your current interests, rather than being influenced by past searches. To do this, simply head into your YouTube. On your profile page, tap on the Settings logo on your upper right corner of the screen. On your Settings page, select on Manage All History. You will then click on this Delete button to customize on what to delete. To delete your search history of today, tap on the first option. To customize dates of what you want to delete, click on this other option. To clear all your YouTube search history, click on Delete All Time. All your YouTube searches will get deleted successfully. You can also tap right here to customize when to auto-delete your recent searches. This declutter your YouTube experience, making it easier to find new content. That's how easy it is to clear all your YouTube search history at once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.